Hello. In this video, we will show how to update the SETAF 2018 software. First, start the SETAF 2018 program. If an update is available, the program shows an update message on the startup screen. On this screen, you can see the release notes with fixes and new features. On the right side, there is the download and install button. When we click this button, the program downloads the latest version of SETAF 2018 to the downloads folder. Now we click download and install to start the process. The latest version starts downloading to your computer. When the download is complete, the program closes automatically and the installer starts. A message appears confirming that the download is complete. We close the message. The program closes automatically. The installer starts. In the installer window, we click the Next button. We select the option to accept the license agreement. Then we click the Next button. On the left, we select the Complete option and click Install. The installer completes the installation on your computer. We click Finish to close the installer. Before starting the program, we open the License Manager from the Start menu. In the License Manager, we click the Activate button on the right. In the window that opens, a username and password are requested. Since we logged in before, the username appears automatically. We click the username field. The account password is requested. We enter the password. If you did not sign out securely, the password may not be required. We click the Sign In button and see a message confirming successful verification. We close the browser. Back in the License Manager, we see that the activation is completed successfully. We close the message. Then we close the application. Now we start the SETAF 2018 program. Since the latest version is installed, no update message appears at startup. Now we click About SETAF 2018 from the Help menu. Here we check the version number and confirm that the latest version is installed. We close the program. Versions of SETAF 2018 earlier than 3.5.42 do not include automatic updates. If these versions are installed, we recommend uninstalling them and installing the latest version manually from the website. Thanks for watching.